How to download a video from Aliexpress. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, in order for us to download the video from Aliexpress, we will be using an app. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and search for Video Downloader and download and install this app right here. Once you do that, open it up and let's go to Aliexpress. Okay, let's click on it, and once you're here, let us search for a product so we can download the video of, say for example, this Nintendo right here. As you can see, this video right here, once you land on the page, you will see that the arrow icon will turn to red, meaning that there's a video that you can download. This arrow right here, you can see that I'm moving it. If I went back, you can see this page has no video, so the arrow is gray. When I click on it, it will turn red because the page will have a video that we can download, as you can see right here. So all what you have to do is click on the arrow, and there you have your video. You can rename it, say for example AliExpress video. Click on rename and click on fast download. You might get an ad. As you can see, I did actually got an ad, so just skip it and you will see at the bottom the progress tab. Click on it and you will see your video is being downloaded right now, and once the video ends, it will be in your, you will find it in your gallery on your mobile phone. And yeah, that's it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download videos from AliExpress. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.